Just got this thing moved out. We got both of them out. We're getting them ready and prepped. This one's a lot smaller than this, and this one's a bigger one. Let's see. Here's the John Deere. It's even got a turbo on it. And over here, we got the F600. Good old big farm truck. Got her over here. You can see a lot of it now that you're at a distance away. Here's the white. It's been a while since I've been here. Batteries being charged. And here's the other flatbed that we're trying to get running. It looks good out of them old wheels. It looks good. I like it. All our cultivators and all our plows and all our weeders and there's more plows right there. And there's one of our bush hogs right there. There's another seeder right here. So here's a sprayer, another plow, and we got a wind mower. Then we got our trailers here. Then we got another cultivator over there. Spare parts and another wind mower. Then we got a big sprayer. It does run, it just needs new tires. Runs like a champ, just needs new tires. Got some more seeders and planters. These are the old ones right here. When you come over here, we got more seeders and cultivators. That's one of his first ones. That's his dad's cultivator right there. It works too. It works really good. We got some more parts in case one of the cultivators break. We got parts back there. We got drums. And we got two bush hogs over here. And we got another plow. Take precautions. Then we got our pallets. We got us forgot what you call those things. I think it's a small cultivator. But yeah, those are the good ones right there. Then we got our big seeder. I think that's what that is. I don't know. Here's the beauty of it. This is the gold right here. This is a 1957 or 47 Ford. Yes, it's a Ford tractor, and it's even got the original logo on the front. It's got the old ball headlights. This one doesn't have a key. That's how you select the speed right there. It's not a, yeah, it's cool. To start it, you pull that out and you push that. And we got more pallets over here. Then we got our tanks. Here's where it gets interesting. This is made by Ford. Yeah, you heard it. This is made by Ford. And I'll show you in just a second. Let me get over here. Yeah, this thing is made by Ford. And it came with this. our other Ford tractor. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful tractor. It's a twin stick. It's in neutral right now. I think that's your forward reverse and that's your gear. Here's your really old cultivators. Ones that are like almost 90 years old. The really, really old ones. Like, I mean like freaking old. Then you got a freaking homemade sprayer, which is really cool. That's part of it right there. And here's another. A homemade sprayer. So what it is it's a cultivator with all the things taken off, and it's got a barrel welded to it. What it was, but it had a barrel thing welded to it, and he made custom sheet metal, and they added a back to it where he put his hoses. Neat, huh? Thought that was cool. Here's where it gets interesting. I don't know what that is. I think that's just a hitch. Then you got a weight hitch, which usually goes on the back of tractors. Like it would you would hook it up to the little thingy-majig, and it would like sit on there. It's a 3-point attachment right there. Then you got this fork, like a forklift but a gigantic version of one, kind of like on the back of that tractor over there. Then you got over here, which is like a really, really freaking old harvester part. This would go on the back of a tractor, and you see these little blades right here? It's a lawnmower. These would spin. It's kind of rusted on there, and you're gonna spin. See the little blades right there? They would swing out when it spent. It was powered by a belt. And then this right here goes to the front of the other harvester that you saw over there. That's what that goes to. It's for corn. Then you got another wind mower, and then you got the other cultivator, which is a very weird cultivator. I've never seen one like that.